Good morning, students. In our last class, we have been studied negative and interrogatives. In that class, I have taken somewhat affirmative sentences and also I told you how to change them into negatives and interrogatives. And also in that class, we have already discussed affirmative sentences in the present indefinite, present imperfect, present perfect progressive. And also we have discussed past indefinite, past imperfect, past perfect and past perfect progressive. In those classes, we have already discussed how to change the affirmative sentences to negative and interrogative. And also, we have discussed in greater detail how to change an affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative and WH words interrogative. Students, let us discuss today how to change the affirmative sentences in which they are in future indefinite and future imperfect. In these two aspects, we will change the affirmative sentences into negative and your interrogatives. And I will tell you how to change an affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence and next WH words interrogative sentence. Let us take an example. Suppose first you see a sentence is in future indefinite or future simple. Okay, you see what? Let us take an example. I shall play football. You see, first let us explain its structure. Its structure is subject plus shall or will plus main verb 1 plus object. Okay, and this is in your affirmative format. Okay, so let us change this affirmative sentence into your yes or no interrogative sentence. I have already told you that this affirmative sentence, whenever it will be changed into yes or no interrogative sentence, its what first auxiliary will come first, then its subject will be put. Okay, let us change this affirmative sentence into yes or no interrogative sentence. Example: shall I play football? You see, question mark is there. Its structure is also shall or will plus subject plus main verb 1 plus object if object is there in the affirmative sentence. Okay, I have already told you this affirmative sentence changed into yes or no interrogative sentence, and next it will be changed into WH words interrogative sentence. Okay, this yes or no interrogative sentence will be changed into WH words interrogative sentence with the help of a WH words. Students, I have already told you in last classes nothing will be done to this yes or no interrogative sentence, just a WH words will be added to this yes or no interrogative sentence. Okay, so this interrogative sentence is in your shall I play football? Next, this yes or no interrogative sentence will be changed into WH words interrogative sentence just using a WH words. Let us write what shall I play? Okay. Or this can be sentence as where shall I play football? You see, in the first sentence, WH words what is added to shall I play, which was initially in your yes or no interrogative. Similarly, in the next sentence, where shall I play football, its structure will be first WH words, next shall or will, next its subject and main verb one, and also object is there if what object is in the affirmative sentences. Okay, students, did you understand my point? Okay, now let us come to change this sentence into negative sentences. Our example was I shall play football. I shall play football. This is an affirmative sentence. This sentence will be changed into negative sentence only. Not will be added to this affirmative sentence to change into negative sentence, such as I shall not play football. This affirmative sentence changed into negative sentence with the help of a negative operator, that is your not. Okay, students, we discussed the affirmative sentences which are changed into your interrogative. First yes or no interrogative, then WH words interrogative, and next it is changed into your what? Negative. Okay, in next class it will be discussed the sentences which will be in your future imperfect. This much today. Thank you, students.